Hello everyone, welcome to my EARTHKIDS channel. Cricket. Cricket is a game played with bat and ball. This game played with 11 players in each side of two teams. The two judges stand on the field. They are called umpires. There are many types of crickets. Cricket makes us physically fit. The award is given to the winning team. A set of 6 balls bowled by a bowler is an over in cricket. This is a team game. Cricket is the most popular sport in the world. The person who is the ball is called the batsman and a person who bowls is called bowler. So friends, please like and share the video. Thanks for watching the video.